noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's get some noise in this house.
And they know that they not like us. We ain't gon' do it. The only thing that can stop me is me. If you're doing this for the women you losing, do this shit for yourself. I do this shit for myself.
Style is the bomb, daddy bomb.
Real man of genius.
Today we salute you, Mr. Daily Profiler Statistician.
Mr. Daily Profiler Stat Man.
While others guess where the market might go, you crunch the numbers, projecting highs and lows with surgical precision.
The high of day, low of day, you've got them dialed in.
London Open, you've measured it New York over under. You've tested it Asia range. You've logged every tick since 2018.
No lagging indicators for this guy.
Only you can say, based on the last 47 days, there's a 63% chance the high of the day forms before 11 a.m.
Probable.
There we go. Having some bugs over here. We should be good now. Let me double check. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. We're having some bugs, but we're here. It's working. Freaking restream. All right, can everyone hear me? All good? I think we're fine. Yep. Okay, good. Restream. It's supposed to have the intro and my screen, the live trading screen, apart from each other, but somehow my screen was opened on the live trading tab instead, or on the intro instead. But we're here. We're fine. All right. Good morning, everyone. Oh, good. Cool. So we had a breakout above the 3 a.m. opening range. We're a little bit low on volatility today, low on volume. So I'm actually shooting for 0.05% cash flow targets today instead of 0.07. Smaller targets. Looking to capture some cash flow today. Also, we have this bingo card here, which we have to fill 7 out of 9 to be able to give away another 50K during stream. So we're gonna have to watch these things over here on the right of the screen. So a chop, 0.10% price movement for 3 a.m. Taking 3 hourly retracements, stop step does not fill an order. Volume under 100K, which we have, so we can write that one off. I don't think I can change the color of this. Can I? No, see, no, I can't. So I'm gonna just be deleting the ones we finished. Bowie gets coffee. Already had a coffee at the start of the morning. So we're gonna be watching these to see if we get a fill card this morning. And if we do, I'll be giving away a 50K. And the other 50K is given away via X. So I'm gonna be running a name randomizer from the comments we had. And then one lucky winner from there as well. So we're gonna be giving away 2 50Ks this morning. And we're just gonna be watching some price here. And have a coffee. Okay, so right now we have 2 hit, 2 out of 7 here on the card. Morning Cheetake, morning Donna. For most of these, we're gonna have to go down, it looks like, hitting the New York, London, Asia midlines, taking over 3 hourly retracements. We would have to see a bearish move coming down. 0.10% price movement is just going to be the total price movement for the 10 a.m. hour, which would basically go hand in hand with a TP being hit here this morning. Then we have a chop lasting over 50 minutes, right? We just want to see this happening for 50 minutes, which, trust me, is pretty common for MES here. Top step does not fill an order. Now this can be both for me or for someone here live currently. So if any of you get a top step not filling an order, feel free to tell me and we'll write that one off. And we basically want only 2 left, and that's when we'll give away a 50K. Good morning, Sylvia. All right, well, we're heading down here quickly. Big bearish drop all of a sudden. We still have a pretty big market open gap here, which we could see get taken. Top step did not fill me because I didn't make an order. That's cheating. All right, we got stopped out on the long here. We didn't go up. We did a 306 high of day, which is a pretty good high of day so far. In stat, failed to see 0.05% above the 3 a.m. here. Let me put some background music on as well. They updated freaking Restream. Hey, they have Christmas music. Let me hear this. Oh shit. Not like that. Oh hell no. Right. Right. There we go. There we go. When adjusting the music volume is harder than taking a trade. All right. Let's see what we do here. We have a let's see, we have a 728 low of day with a big 18 opening range. We have quite a few hourly retracements below us. We have the Asian OU below us, the London OU. Take a look at the probabilities for the OUs here. All right, let's see. Update a little. Oh, Asia is broken already. Wait. Yeah, we broke Asia already. Oh, that sucks. And then London is long. Okay, so first of all, we have a 70% chance of going long false during London, which would mean we have a 70% chance this morning of retracing back to this low, actually, all the way down here. Wait, no, this low, sorry. This low right here, the 1 a.m. low. 70% chance of going false, hitting that low, which would mean we also have about a 70% chance of hitting these OUs, maybe slightly higher because it's closer to price. You can see there's a 80% level here. So we have some good probabilities below us. We currently have a good high of the session and high of day set at 306, which is the instant high. So we're gonna wait and see what we do here. Do we continue down? Do we try and go back up? Or do we keep on ranging here and do we get that 15-minute chop? Really, I wouldn't really call it a chop. We've moved up and down. But if we keep on doing this, then that will count as a chop. P12 high is right here. That also sucks. Yeah, we don't have a lot of probabilities above us. We have so everything is currently stacked below. However, we do have a very nice instead low of day or low of session, and we've been respecting these previous hour 05s to the upside quite a lot. So could be a very trendy day as well away from strats. So we're just gonna let price do the talking, and we're gonna take the trades based on how they happen. I'm happy taking longs this morning. I'm happy taking shorts. If we go short, I'll be a little more aggressive because we have all stats below. But I also know that no matter where the stats are positioned for the morning, getting a 0.05% breakout in any direction of this 3 a.m. range is very high probability. So I don't have to fix myself on just shorts. Good morning. Why's your Asia broken? Asia midline right here. Let's see off this hour. This is our Asia midline. And basically, do we take that midline out later in the day during London, which this is a version 2. I don't know if you're familiar with the regular profiler. This is a different version. We call it V2, which is more optimized for London. And as you can see, where that starts at 1 a.m., we hit the Asian OU right there at 105. So we've already retraced the Asian OU line, which is why this is broken. So basically all that means is, hey, we've already retraced this. There's no reason to look at it again here for a retracement. Which is okay, because we have all stats cluttered up here anyway. But yeah, we're gonna have to have some sort of drop if we want to take this one away from the bingo card. Should probably add here that this is for 50k eval. Goal 7 out of 9. We filled 2 out of 9 currently. Which for some we have to be in the next hour to fill, so. Correct, Rip. Then also another thing I like to use is the Asia opening range. So the first 5 minutes of Asia, which are quite big because we had a pretty big open. And you will see this dark, well, not really dark gray, but this gray box over here mapping across my entire day. So the orange one on top is the first 5 minutes of the London Open. This gray one below is the first 5 minutes of the Asia Open. And basically during London, if they're far apart from each other, like, I'll give you guys an example. Like here, We actually, every day, when these things are away from each other, we hold about an 83% chance of going from the London range to the Asian range. So exactly what happened right here. So right here we broke above, and then we broke below right here. And there's an 83% chance during the day we hit the extreme of the other range, which is the Asia range. This is what we call a transfer. And you'll see a lot of the times also this holds a significant level for New York. So to give you a bit of an example, if these two are not on top of each other, like we have today, I want a good day where they're far apart, preferably. But they're usually fairly close to each other. We're having less volume. All right, here you can see Asia opening range is up here, London opening range is down here, and look what happened. We broke below first, then once we broke above, we had 930 messing around. 930 holds a um, good chance to retrace both London and Asia. We were climbing up. New York opened. We went back, hit the London range, broke back above, and then finally took out that Asia range as well. Here, same thing. We went from London to Asia. Now, sadly, today we don't really have that, as they're right on top of each other, as you can see. But that holds statistics as well. Basically, whenever we have them on top of each other, they're either expecting a crazy volatile day breaking out of the two boxes. So they're stacked, and you usually see a day where we just trade away from it. Or we got a crazy chop around these two ranges for the whole day. And then after 9:30 usually is when you finally start to break away. So we'll see. I'm just gonna wait here. Don't worry, gonna sell in some minutes. It's the best to you to like, guys, be ready. I'm a sell. The market drops. We're chopping, by the way. So when did we start to chop? Right around here, 3:14. So we need, we need 4 more minutes of chopping. Maybe we get the chop lasting 50 minutes checked off. I'll also be giving or picking the winner for the Twitter 50K in a bit. So we're going to be giving away that 50K at the end of this hour. And then for the next one, we're gonna have to fill some more of these options on the card here. We're actually hoping for this to break out so we can maybe cross off top step does not fill order. Yeah, ideally for everything considered today, we'd get a short and you'd taking over 3 hourly retracements, hit the OU lines, 0.10% price movement. I mean, we haven't, how much do we have? We've had 0.07, so we're going to have to see some extensions. Yeah, we're currently chopping right in the 3 a.m. box, which we need 2 more minutes of chop, and then we'll have this one crossed off as well. This one was Bowie Gets a Coffee, but as you can see, that lasted pretty much 0 minutes. I mean, right when I started the stream, I had a coffee. All right, 1 more minute, and then we'll have the 50-minute chop done. As I said, guys, for Pack Trade Group as well, this is the last stream of the year, so no more streams within the pack after today. This is the final trade session for me of the year. I'll be done enjoying my only vacation of the year, pretty much. Which I wouldn't say we have a hard life trading over here. I kind of enjoy sitting behind the screen trading every morning. For pack members, right, swing model expected to be released at the end of this week. All right, we've had our 50-minute chop, so we can cross that one off as well. There we go. So we've now filled 3 out of 9. Yeah. Merry Christmas, Brian. Why is it more quiet over Christmas? Well, there's always trades to be taken if you really want to put it that way. For me, where I trade using statistical breakouts, we vibe. I rely on decent volume and follow through. And what we see during these Christmas months is, first of all, lower volume. It's not a weird thing to see lower volume around right major Christmas days and bank holidays. Yeah, that lower volume will cause more chop, usually slower prices, less volatile breakouts. So if I in normal circumstances easily get 0.07%, but the volume is halved, you can check that with what we've moved for the day already. If you compare, right, this morning, for example, we've moved a total of 0.19%. If you compare that to, let's say, this day here, that's Thursday, start of Asia is right here, to London the same time, so we're 9:31. We had moved 0.42%, right? And just in Asia alone, we had already moved 0.26. So right now, today is already a clear example of how we're on lower volume, how we're getting less movement, and how we're actually right now chopping. And yeah, I know basically for my model, for my way of trading, I don't really like those markets. It's where I get more losses. It's where I struggle getting my my TPs to be hit as often. And for me, right, it's Christmas days. There's bank holidays in the mix as well. There's going to be days where trading doesn't make sense at all. The volume's going to be ultra low. It's also a period where you spend time with family and friends. So exactly, and what Sebastian is saying as well, taking the 2 weeks off is great to reset and come back to 2026 full power. Yep, I agree. I rarely take holidays or vacations. I usually just trade everywhere. Um, Even when all my friends are free and everything, I'll still trade. So yeah, having like a standard 2 weeks off at the end of the year for me is just very relaxing. And I'm not the only one that does it. I know a lot of people that just stop what they're doing, stop their trading right before Christmas. Um, yeah. You can see we're still chopping here. So yeah, that 50-minute chop. I wasn't really afraid we wouldn't hit that one. I was kind of expecting it. You can clearly see how we're just chopping. We're actually, if you look at the bigger picture, we've pretty much been chopping for over an hour, right in here, zone. So we've pretty much been chopping in here. So yeah, that goes hand in hand with what I was just saying, right? That lower volatility, that chop you're expecting. We also got to remind we're trading London now, which is lower volatility anyway, lower follow through. So yeah, maybe if you're trading New York right after the open, you can still have good days. I wouldn't be surprised if you trade breakouts or something. But why position yourself in a worse market state? Why not just, take some time off, enjoy some good food and time, and then come back next year? We always have the need to continue trading. We always feel the need to just do something, right? Otherwise, we're not productive. But sometimes in trading, it's more rewarding to just walk off. And that's definitely what I noticed for myself. I like walking off on super low volatility days, major bank holidays and stuff. I just like taking the day off completely. And it's actually helped me over the last few years being more consistent. All right, we're breaking down. So let me get my top step ready. Point 0.07% is going to be a big one. All the way down. All right, let's see. Bang. And top step did not fill my order. There we go. There is the top step did not fill my order. Wow. All right. There we go. That one was, oh shoot, to be expected as well. For some reason, especially this month, I didn't really get it last month, but this month I keep getting left unfilled. I basically use the limit orders at the entry. It's not tagging me in like as we speak right now. I'm not getting tagged in. It's on my order, but it's not tagging me in. So yeah, that one's crossed off. I'm still not in. I'm still not in. It's literally above. Okay, there we go. There we go. Man, I love. Well, I don't love it, but I find it funny. Yeah, so 0.07% to the downside would be your normal high probability target. But since, again, we're lower on volume, we're struggling to really get direction, I'm going to go for 0.05, which is overall just going to be a high probability target for every hour. So basically, 3 a.m. is usually the biggest moving hour for London on the MES here. That's why a 0.07% target is a high quality target. For the later hours between London and pre-New York, so 4 a.m. to all the way to 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. I should say, that is where you'll see 0.05% being more consistent because it's less volatile slightly. Did we hit 0.10% actually for this hour? Let's see. Ooh, barely. I think we're missing out on 3 ticks. Let's see. 6.25, 50. We need 2 ticks to the downside, and that's when we have 0.10. We're closing in though. We have 4 out of 9 here filled in the first hour. I mean, dude, we're doing better than I thought. So we'll be giving away the first 50K in 20 minutes, right at the end of the 3 a.m. hour, which is going to be on X. So if you've not done so already, on my Twitter post going over the stream, if you're following, if you've liked the post, and you've tagged 2 people in the comments, you'll be in for that 50K account. So if you haven't done so and you want to win up 50K, I'll share the link here in the chat. One second. If I can. There we go. And you can also win one just being here in the stream. All right, here we go. Share the link to the X post. Where are you trading from? As in what country, or? Less is more sometimes. Well, yeah, not always. Like, there'll definitely be periods where more is more. But also periods where less is more, and that's the funny thing about trading, right? It's so different. It's not the more hours you put in, the more money you make. Let me put this up here. So, okay, I gotta take this plaster off my finger here. Typing is hard. Okay, so we have 2 50Ks give away. Number 1 will be leave a comment and like my X post. Also, you have to be following me. Follow below my X post. There we go. And then number 2. Oh shit! Why is it? Oh, okay. There we go. And number 2 will be given There you go. So I won't be giving two to the same person. It could happen that one person wins twice. If that happens, I'll re-roll because I want to make sure we give it away to two different people here at the end of the month. Hope you understand. Dude, what are these loud freaking vehicles passing by? Holy. Yeah. And this is again, today is an example of why I take that 2-week break because we're just so low on price volume. Just to put it into perspective, guys, the average price movement or average MFE, I should say, for um, the 3 a.m. hour is 0.13%, meaning away from the first 5 minutes of this 3 a.m. hour, we have an average MFE of 0.13%, which is this average MFE, I should say median, sorry, not average, median. The average is actually 0.17. And this is away from the '05 break, so away from this orange range. We have only done 0.01 on both sides. Just to put into perspective how low volatility we are currently. Just to put that into perspective. Chances are quite high, to be honest. We aren't so many here. First time here anyway. Nice. Yeah, again, I was expecting a few new people here because of the giveaway, which is totally fair. Again. Oh, one sec. Okay, there we are. Had someone walk in. I might have to readjust the camera. Let's see the text over there. Can we? No, not really. Oh, shoot. Austin, why did you add the text? Why did you make it so big? I know Austin's not here, but still. But yeah, again, we're just super low volatility currently. We haven't even moved 0.010 for the hour, which this is super easy to get, guys. This is for the total hour, not even away from the first 5 minutes. So we we are very low volatility. And this is also exactly why, again, for the millionth time, I'm taking a break at the end of the year. Yeah, we're only a few candles away from 0.10. All we have to do is take out this 2 a.m. I'm pretty sure we haven't taken out anything else. Do we? I could be wrong. Wait, we may have already taken a few retracements. Ooh, wait. Yeah, hang on. We've taken two. Oh wait, 3 a.m. doesn't count, sorry. So we've taken the 10 a.m. So we've taken one. 10 p.m. Sorry, not 10 a.m. How long? 10 a.m. He said. All right, so we've taken one. Again, all stats below us. We've set a good instead high of day. Basically, we make the high of day usually in three major times, either right during Asia at the beginning of the day, either London 3 a.m. to 4 a.m., or around 9:30 in the New York session. And then fourth option would be at the end of the day, right? If we have a really trendy day, you're just moving up, make that high of day at the end of the day. Currently holding a 3 a.m. high, so I'm gonna start adding some names to the wheel already, so we can just spin that at the end of the 3 a.m. hour here. All right, let's see. All right, let's get a name wheel on here. Wheel of names. All right, let's see. We have Donna. We have Ricardo. I like doing giveaways. I might do more next year. I haven't really done giveaways yet, but I'll definitely do it again. Pretty fun. Ooh, wait, hang on. We might be getting our point 10. Big candle coming down. We need 2 ticks lower. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Should be point 10 for the hour. Yep, there we go. So 0.10% price movement for 3 a.m. checked off. So we're currently at 5 out of 9. This is good. And I think we may have taken 3 hourly retracements now. I want to quickly fact check that. 10, 9, 2, and even 7, I think. Yep. All right, so that's checked off as well. Oh my, we're going fast. So we only need one more. We might take them all out today. London OU. There we go. Hit the New York, London, Asia mid. Now this London doesn't count yet because oh wait, it does. And we've now hit Asia as well. So wow, we've actually hit 7 out of 9 here in the first hour. There's that drop. All right, so we can actually look to give away both here shortly. All right. Let me continue adding the names to the wheel. Didn't expect that quickly. There's the point 10. That went crazy. Dude, I was not expecting to hit 7 out of 9 in the first hour. There's a reason why I did 7 out of 9 instead of a full card. But, yeah, we just freaking hammered it, okay. Stats, baby. Alright, let me add some more names. So we had Donna Ricciardo, Sis Trades. I gotta check if everyone's following the requirements. Is Sis Trades in here currently? We have Smooth Operator. Smooth Operator. I like that song. Smooth Operator. All right, we have Baroque FX. Dude, y'all got some sick names. Sylvia. Are you Sis Trades? Oh wait, yeah, that's the same picture, no? Oh, it's not. So you liked, you reposted. Did you follow me as well? Maybe I have to refresh my X. That could be why. So Ricardo, Donna, Sis, Smooth, Baroque, Kawa, can't forget Kawa. D. D is just one giant D on the name wheel. Yes. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, I refreshed. There we go. Yeah, I had to refresh, I think. That might have been why. Ooh, we got pretty close to a TP there. All right, there's still 5 minutes left for other people if they want to enter on the X giveaway. You can still do so. The link is in chat. I'll send it in here one more time. And then we're gonna spin the wheel. There we go. And then we're gonna be giving away the bingo giveaway as well. The bingo 50K. Let me make sure my TP is at the right spot though. Okay, 690450. Yep. And then 0.07, which is usually the high probability target for this, is down there. Which I will actually extend my TP to. Will I? Because we do have that 1 a.m. low there, which holds a 70% chance. It says 67 here. But it also is a 70% low because it's the 1 a.m. low as well, which is over at 903.25. 903.25. So 4 a.m. distributes 0.05% away from 05, and 4 a.m. takes out 3 a.m. We might get the fill sweep here. I got 50k from New York session giveaways. Happy to stay out from the bingo. Oh, nice, cheat take. Did they give away in the New York as well? Nice one. Yeah, up to you. Whatever you want. I can keep you away from it if you want. All right, we got 2 more minutes, and then I'll close the Twitter giveaway. Let's see. So we got Donna, Ricardo, Sis, Move, Barack. We got Crypto Knight. There we go. So one more. Crypto Knight, add it to the wheel. Don't take up TP, slide stop loss, maybe. Well, 4 a.m. takes out 3 a.m. is going to be pretty easy if we are literally right at the low of the 3 a.m. So basically what 4 a.m. takes out 3 a.m. means is we break the 3 a.m. high or low. Not that it matters anymore. We've already hit our goal in the first hour. I have entered Twain Lindeth. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta keep refreshing my Twitter. All right, 4 a.m. open. And we're so far shooting up. Now, if we take the 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. out with 4 a.m., like this suggests, we're gonna see a projection. Basically, one of our indicators will show us the MFE and MAE for the next hour. So if we break down here, for example, we take the 3 a.m. low, we will get a high probability target projection for the 4 a.m. hour to hit. You'll see it in a bit, maybe, when we if we take out the 3 a.m. low. I'm refreshing my X to check for the Matrix Brian Twain Lindeth. I'm not seeing it yet on the Twitter. Oh, there we go. Why is it only showing up just now? You did it 18 minutes ago, it says, and it's only showing up right now. Make sure you follow the requirements as well. Yep, all checks out. Cool. Let's add you on the wheel. Just say Twain. Twain. Actually, I'll do your full name before I get confused. All right. Also, it's a Sanurja. Yeah, it's probably still here. Yeah, I just now read your comments saying logic that we respect the 306 high. Yep, you're correct. It doesn't. It's not a guarantee, but So far, we're actually respecting it correctly. So, all right. So I'm not sure if I got all the names or for the Twitter post, but I've refreshed it multiple times. I'm not getting any new names now. So, is there anyone in here that entered and I haven't called out their name? So I got Twain, Donna, Ricardo, Sis, Smooth, Barack, Kawa, D Kryptonite, sorry, and then D Trades. Because it seems like it's taking like 15 minutes for X to show the comments. Yeah. So we're currently breaking up in the 4 a.m. hour here. We haven't taken the low yet of the 3 a.m. So yeah, look at that. We're breaking up with force. I can't find your X. It's in here, the link where I can. Oh wait, no. My X is Bowie VDS, just like my Wait, I could probably share the link in here. Hang on. There you go. Refreshing again. For some reason, there's also accounts under probable spam. I'm in there too. You didn't take my name. This is just for the Twitter post, though. I'm not seeing your Twitter comment. Is my Twitter really that slow with updating? Let me do it on my phone. Yeah, I'm still not seeing new names on the Twitter. You know what? We'll first do the. We'll first give away the. X deleted my X because I wasn't using it much. I think. I gotcha. Don't worry. We also have another 50k. It's 2, so you're in the giveaway anyway. If you're here, you're in the giveaway automatically, guys. I don't have an X account. Don't worry. You're still in this giveaway. All right, we're going to do the X first. So I'm going to spin the wheel. I'm going to double check one last time to see if I have all names. Refresh. Okay, Twain added. Kryptonite. Yep. Says Barack. Smooth Donna. All right. Here we go. I'm going to spin the wheel. And we have a winner. Can I use my snipping tool? I don't think I can. Oh, it's not letting me snip. All right, give me one sec. Let me drag this over. And then click this, replace. There you go. So the Matrix Brian, you won 150K. So let me quickly go down. Let me just say you won in here. All right, add me on Discord. I'll give you my or actually hang on. All right, so is he still in here? Don't burn it before New Year's. All right, let me put the screen back to the charts here. Big 05 box also. So let's see, who was it again? It was I'm scrolling back. The Matrix Brian. Do we have Brian in here currently? That would make it a lot easier. He was in here. Hey Brian, on my X, join the. If you go to my profile, if I can go to my own profile, my X is bugging. Hello. There is a link tree. If you click that, there will be a Pack Trade Group Discord link. If you join and ping me in chat, my user is the same as my Twitter, then I'll help you out to get you the 50K. All right, now we're gonna give away another one. So we have 20 people in here currently watching. For everyone that wants to participate here right now, that's here live, please type 1 in chat, just a regular 1. So I'll add all your names to the wheel and we'll spin again. Now, obviously, Brian, you can't participate. You've already won one. So just for everyone else, just type a 1 in chat and I'll add you to the wheel. Yes, I'm in the pack. Okay, cool. Here. In the regular chat, I send a message. I'll send a little dot. Oh, you already have me in DM. There you go. There you go. All right, what you want to do, Brian, is within the pack trading, I'll actually send you oh wait, I can't send you a screenshot because my freaking tool is broken. You want to go to the support ticket channel and then open a ticket. And then in the ticket, say you've won that 50K and add that screenshot you send me. And then in our DM, send me a screenshot that you did that. Then I'll know you're in. All right, we got a few ones here. Let me get back to the wheel. Oh wait, it's on this screen. Oh shoot. I'm opening the wrong application. All right, let's see. I'm not looking at my chart right now, guys. I'm actually doing the wheel. So we have Tony, Sylvia, Donna, Kryptonite, WeVibe. I'll just add you all. Yeah. Lots of typing. Should take Mr. Mortimer, Jen, Big D, Peace of Mind, Daniel. Oh my, Daniel Gierski. Your Wild Fantasy. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 15 entries currently. I'll give it 6 more minutes, so until 10:20 my time or 4:20 Eastern Standard Time. And then I'll spin the wheel for the last 50K. Let me go back to see how Twain is doing. Did you open a ticket, Twain? That's pretty much the last thing you have to do. If you open that ticket, then that should end it for you. All you have to do then is wait. We got N. Let me add you to the wheel. Oh. And gosh. So for wait, we got Nightbot in there posting that. That's cool. Maybe it's Austin doing it in disguise, or it's just a bot. If you haven't done so, make sure you join the pack Discord, because that's where I'll be able to get you that 50K. It's not me giving you the 50K. So I need you all to be in that Discord for a ticket. There's a link in chat currently, right there by Nightbot. All right, so N is on there. Yep. Is it a top step one? Don't think so, no. I'm not sure if you want a top step right now, to be fair. I'm using top step currently, but it's freaking crazy. I hate it. Tony, so yeah. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 entries currently. Again, 3 more minutes. So if you haven't done so, type a 1 in chat. I'll have you added. I'll go double check if I have everyone so far. Tony, Soviet Donna, Kryptonite, We Vibe. Yep. Bear Room, Cheat Take. More Timer, Jen. Yes. All right, Brian is doing that right now. I've done the tickets. All right, nice. All right, cool. Keep me updated in Discord DM, Twain. But basically, when Austin or someone wakes up, they'll go over your ticket and you'll get a 50K in there. If nothing happens before, let's say, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, New York Open, just send me a DM. But yeah, you should get the 50K from here on out. So, all right, 2 more minutes, and then we'll spin the wheel once again. I'll actually share the wheel instead of the chart for you guys. We're not really doing a lot on the charts currently. 4 a.m. distributes 0.05%. Not yet. Cool. Well, congrats, man, again. Now we'll see who the second winner will be in about 1 minute. Let me share the screen once more. So we'll go to Wheel of Names. Cheat Take with his 50K. We have a lot of winners today. Nice. Hope you all enjoy your 50Ks. All right. 1 more minute, and then we'll spin again. Charts are flat for us right now. Looks like we're going to be facing the other way and go up. I'm missing Sebastian. Oh, wait. Sebastian. Oh. AKA Kawa. Did I not? Oh. Yeah. This is easier for me if I put Kawa there. All right, it's 10:20. It's been 5 minutes. Let's spin that wheel. Do I have D on here? I do. Is WP Capital still here? Sniper Viper. We got Sniper Viper as well. There we go. All right. All right, let's go. Let's see who wins this one. Well, good luck, everyone. And here we go. Donna. There we go. For winner number 2. Bingo card. We can take this one off. We hit our goal. All right, Donna, same thing for you. Make sure you join the Discord and add me. I have a message in the general chat. A little point, a little dot. It takes a little while for me to see the messages on Restream. So it might be a little slow here. There's also a delay. Sent you a friend request. All right, let me check. Lol, wheel tick denied you. Let's see. Friend requests. I have a lot of friend requests. Shoot. What's your Discord username, Donna? We failed to distribute 0.05% away from the 3 a.m. here. True end of year chop. Oh wait, here we go, I think. Tutti Frutti. Yep. Oh, I like that name. I love that name. Tutti Frutti. All right. Same for you, Donna. Head into the pack chat, and then I still can make screenshots. That sucks. In the Wolf Talk, you have chat, dope music, report scams. Right underneath is support ticket. Open a ticket over there and add a screenshot that you won the giveaway. And then send a screenshot of that to me so I can confirm you did all that. After that, just a waiting game. Tutti Frutti. All right, well, congrats to our two winners here, Twain and Donna. Hope you enjoy your 50Ks. Why is my... Oh, there we go. Yeah, just make sure you send me a screenshot after so I can confirm. Well, we're back in the 3M range. We're failing. So trading-wise today, pretty boring, a slow day. Not really getting follow through. Again, was expected a little bit. Again, this is why I take these breaks. This is why I stop trading at the end of the year. This is why being a London trader can sometimes be both a curse and a blessing. Gotta quickly check something here. No. All right, is TopStep having issues again, or? Hello? TopStep? Are you okay? Oh, there we go. Okay. Um. Okay. That's all working. Was having some issues on top step there, but we're good. All right, let me close the wheel of names. There we are. All right, what do we have here? Do you only trade S&P? Currently, yes. It's pretty much the same as M and Q, but it just gives a little more follow through during. Why is it showing the MAE and MFE? Oh, it took the high. There you go. It just gives a little bit more follow through compared to M and Q. For London, I should say. But yeah, I mean, if you look at M and Q too, guys, look at the MAE and MFE for this hour. Well, I shouldn't say this hour, for 3 to 7, and look how far away we are. Trust me, this is usually a whole lot closer, but we're so low on volume, so low on follow through. We're just not really doing anything. So we can't really get our cash. These are small cash flow targets, by the way, but they feel like huge targets at the moment. Why is it called the Wheel of Fortune if the majority doesn't win? That's a good one, actually, dude. Send them a message. Look at the small volume on GC. Gold. Is this small volume? I never trade gold. I have no idea what small volume is. I don't know the statistics for gold. Seems like Asia was very good though. Dang. Look at that Asia rip. Dude, this is our Asia Open. I'd actually be interested to see how much of those transfers we do on gold. Because it looks like they happen quite a lot here. Even on gold. Can you imagine a transfer like this? Here, another clean one, the moment we broke above. Here, it actually happened all the way down. Look at that. Dude, might have to start collecting some stats for gold on the transfer move. It's actually pretty crazy. Cool. I'm short on gold. I don't trade gold, but looks like it's having a bit of a relief now. Yeah, even gold would be a nightmare to trade during London at the moment. Just choppy. Yeah, it's fine. Again, being sarcastic all time high. I was thinking, like, dude, that is not low volume. Yeah. Oh, yeah. New all time high, even. This year was actually crazy for gold. We pretty much doubled in size almost. From 2.7, 2.6, 2.7K, all the way up to 4.4. That's crazy. Almost doubled. Well, breakout MFE, yep. We haven't broken yet, though. All right, guys, it's 10:30. It's been 1.5 hours. This is where I usually end my stream. We're also very low on volume. We're chopping up in the range, so I don't think there's anything special to share anymore. Hope y'all had some value in this. Again, congrats to the people winning the giveaway. If you guys want more of this, if you guys want to trade with me next year, you can always join me in the Pack Trade Group London side. And I'll be live every Monday of the week same time. But again, 2-week break, so you'll see me again next year. Yeah, hopefully I can do a few more giveaways next year. I like this. This is fun. Always feels good giving away something. Yep, totally, WeVibe. Thank you for being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, as always, guys, hope you all had some value. We didn't really have a super nice trade session. Very choppy, very, very slow. But that's the reality of trading sometimes. Again, I don't hide anything. I took a full loss so far this morning, and this might be a red day. But that's trading. No worries, Donna. Hope you enjoy your 50K. Again, if anything happens, you have my DM. For you as well, if there's no response before 9:30, let me know. And then, yeah, we'll end it here. We'll go again next year. Could you explain your strategy and all the data on the screens? That would take quite some time now, crypto. But in short, right, my strategy is 3 a.m. breaks, first 5 minutes of 3 a.m. And then I use measured statistics to dictate what TP I use. So I know based off of measuring past 05 breakouts in this hour, a high probable target for me is 0.07%, with 0.05% being the highest of high probabilities across all London. And then I use statistics to help me filter. So, right, if all stats are to the downside, for example, and I have no reason to long statistics-wise, I won't take a long, I'll look for shorts. Or I use statistics to extend my targets, to extend my TPs. But yeah, going in detail on it right now would take a long time. If you want to learn about this, again, I'm free. You can see me for free every Monday, same time, 3 a.m. You can also choose to join the Pack Trade group, and I'll be live every every Tuesday to Friday in there, going over it all. I share my strategy and the statistics that we use. Apart from that, I can't really give you anything else right now. It's time to shut and go on with our day. I opened a support ticket, but I didn't have an option to upload screenshots. Gotcha. All right, just make sure you mention the fact that you won the giveaway. It should be fine. So for you, Donna and Twain, if you're still here, please let me know when they gave you your 50Ks as well, if they give it. Next Monday it is. No, I'm not. I'm actually taking this Monday off, so my next stream will be next year. But yeah, feel free to join the Discord. It's free, and if you want to join the pack side, there's a subscription for it. But in the Discord itself, the free side, you'll see when we go live. You'll see an event happening. You can also watch Austin. I'm not sure if Austin will be live today. I don't think so. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, congrats to Donna, to Twain. And yeah, I'll see you all next year. Have a good Christmas, everyone. Enjoy the new year. And I'll see you all in 2026. Enjoy your day, guys. Have a good one.